Hello my friends, here's another quick DIY video. So I'm installing a soap dispenser right there. So this one already has a washer right there, or sealer. So what you want to do is, most of this is going to be underneath the counter. So this is going to go in there like that first of all. And once it's on the bottom side, we're going to stick this up under there. And then screw this back on under there. So it sucks it up down nice and tight right here. And then we're going to fill some soap up here and put that in there. So that's the plan. So here we go. We just want to make sure this gets nice and centered on there. And then we're going to go under where the real work is done. So, I don't know, do you guys need to see that? I don't know if there's even room for you under there, but maybe we'll try it here. Let's see if we can go under this sink here. Dun, it's dark in there. Let me go get a light. Okay. It's kind of cramped under here, but I'm trying to give you the live shot, so this is the sacrifice that I must make for the good of posterity. Well, I'm not a big guy, and I'm barely fitting under here, so. Alright, so we're going to try to get this washer. Oh, first try. Okay. And then that's going to go up on there. Oh, if only I had like a third arm to help me. Hello? Yeah. Help. Yeah. Can you just hold the top, please, so when I screw this, it's not turning? That'd be great. Oh, a third hand. It's amazing. All right. Can I get a little bit better focus on the light there? Sorry about the quality here, my friends. Hello, can I get some light? There we go. That's still really grainy. What is the deal here? This should be should be really good. I don't know why it's not. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're almost done. It's nice to have someone help you, for sure. Is it centered up there? Okay, so we'll tighten it down a little bit. Hand tighten, of course. Okay. Now, that bottle, please. Bottle. No, is this a joke? No, the bottle that screws onto the bottom that holds the soap. I've asked for a bottle. I get handed a spray bottle. It's incredible. Okay. And the soap bottle, not a spray bottle, random spray bottle, gets put up on there. Okay. My goodness. I just like the degree of difficulty here is just multiplied by the fact that I'm holding a camera in my hand. So I literally only have one hand here. I think I'm getting it. Maybe. Oh, I did get it. Amazing. I forgot to put soap in. Can you pull it from the top, or is it screwed down? Can you pull up the top? Yeah. Okay, well, we can add soap from the top then. If I can get out of here. Let me try to get out of here. Okay, welcome back to the top side of the world. So we can put some soap in here through the top. You can access the bottom and pour soap in there as well. Take out the bottle, unscrew it, fill it up with soap, screw it back in, or you can fill it up from up here. So this works. Alright, my friends, let's Let's test this out, shall we? Soap challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there we have it. Works like a charm. Okay, so thanks for watching this this video. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time. I will put a link in the description below to this particular soap dispenser if you want it, and grab it from Amazon.com. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.